Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 10th May 2025. Sunil Mittal is planning to acquire a significant stake in Hire India. He is partnering with Warburg Pincus for this deal. The potential acquisition could be around $2 billion. Hire is considering selling a stake in its Indian unit. Other investors like Temasek and GIC have shown interest previously. Hire's revenue in South Asia has experienced substantial growth. Amazon India's group companies are significantly expanding their Mumbai presence, leasing over 1.14 lakh square feet in Vikhroli. The 5-year lease commencing January 2025 involves a combined monthly rent exceeding Rs 1.73 crore with a 5% annual escalation. This move signals Amazon's commitment to Mumbai's growing commercial hubs beyond traditional business districts. The Reserve Bank of India has officially recognized the Fixed Income Money Market and Derivatives Association of India, or FIMMDA, as a self-regulatory organization for entities operating in the financial markets regulated by the central bank. The recognition underscores the RBI's intent to promote a more structured and participatory regulatory environment by leveraging industry-led initiatives. FIMMDA's elevation to a self-regulatory organization status is expected to contribute significantly to the maturity and transparency of India's debt and derivatives market. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs has officially notified the company's Indian Accounting Standards Amendment Rules 2025, introducing substantial changes to Ind AS 21, the Indian accounting standard governing the effects of changes in foreign exchange rates. These amendments aim to provide clarity and guidance on assessing currency exchangeability and estimating exchange rates when currencies are not readily exchangeable. The changes address growing concerns among preparers and auditors over inconsistent interpretations of exchangeability, especially in countries facing currency controls or hyperinflation. The revised standard enhances financial reporting transparency, particularly for multinational corporations, entities with foreign operations, and those operating in emerging markets. Sumitomo Mitsui Banking Corporation of Japan has signed a deal to buy a 20% stake in Yes Bank. The deal is worth Rs 13,483 crore. State Bank of India and 7 private banks are selling their shares. The transaction awaits regulatory approvals. This investment marks a significant step for Yes Bank's growth. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has issued revised guidelines aimed at enhancing transparency and consistency in financial disclosures made by infrastructure investment trusts or InvITs and real estate investment trusts or REITs. These revisions pertain to the presentation of financial information in offer documents or placement memoranda. These changes are part of SEBI's ongoing efforts to streamline regulatory compliance for investment vehicles and protect investor interests in the infrastructure and real estate sectors.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.